it's been a while. It's been a while.
It's been a little while. Ted, are you in the mood for a song?
Should never ask a singer if they're in a mood for a song. It's oh yeah. I'll do P stands for Paddy.
Lovely.
And if any of you at home fancy playing along with this one, it's in B minor. And because you're at home, you can do what the hell you like with it. But you two have to behave yourselves. That's the key, because I can hear you two. But
That's a drawback, isn't it?
Where's the fun in that? We'll give it a whirl now anyway.
Okay.
As I roved out one May morning to take a pleasant walk, sat myself down by an old stone wall to hear two lovers talk, to hear what they might say, my dear, to hear what they might say, that I might know some more about love before I go away. P stands for Paddy, I suppose. J's for my love, John. W stands for false Willie, oh, Johnny, he's the fairest man. Johnny, he's the fairest man, she said. Now, Johnny, he's the fairest man, for I don't care what anyone says. Johnny, he's the fairest man. Sit you down beside me, he said, gather on this green, for it's been 3/4 of a year or more since together we have been. Will not sit down beside you, she said, now no other time, but here you have another girl and your heart's no longer mine. Your heart's no longer mine, my dear, no, your heart's no longer mine, for I hear you have another girl and your heart's no longer mine. P stands for Paddy, I suppose. J's for my love, John. W stands for false Willie, oh, Johnny, he's the fairest man. Johnny, he's the fairest man, she said. Now, Johnny, he's the fairest man, for I don't care what anyone says. Johnny, he's the fairest